position for runway 29, you are cleared for takeoff, wind 330 at 6, gust 16, and just verify, is it a right turn on?
07 Charlie, we'll be going to Simsbury, 07 Charlie.
Right turn on's approved, no delay please.
Brainard ground, Cherokee 3836 kilo.
Cherokee 3836 kilo, Brainard ground.
Cherokee 3836 kilo at Delta, like to taxi to the active with Quebec.
Number 3.
Brainard Tower, K-Check 491, 2 mile final for runway 02.
Check 491, runway 2, clear the land, wind 330 at 6, gust 16.
Runway 02, clear land, K-Check 491.
Charlie, squawk 1200 please.
07 Charlie.
Brainard Tower, Bonanza 7251 Romeo, holding at Whiskey for runway 29.
725 runway Brainard Tower, hold short runway 2 for landing traffic.
Holding short, landing traffic 2.
Number 7251 Romeo, runway 20, taxi in position runway 29, then runway 29, you're cleared for takeoff, wind 330 at 8, gust to 16.
51 Romeo, cleared runway 29.
Brainard Tower, K-Check 491, going around.
Take 491, make right traffic.
Right traffic, K-Check 491.
Advise on initial contact. You have information Bravo. Bradley International Airport 8 hits information Bravo. 155 Zulu. Wind 320 at 10. Gusts 18.
320.
Visibility 10. Two clouds at 5,500. Temperature 4. Dew point -11. Altimeter 3022. Runway 24 in use. Expect ILS approach. Notice flare missions. Runway 1533 closed. Taxiway Echo. Between runway 1533.
Flaps up. Boost.
On traffic, Archer 43984. Plus 5 entry for a left downwind for 32 full stops on.
It's gusting. Oh, it's gusting.
Northampton traffic, 60 November Alpha, right
Yes,
crosswind
sir.
runway 32 will be departing to the north, climbing 313.
Simsbury traffic, 07 Charlie, 6 miles from the west, inbound for London, full stop. Simsbury traffic.
Maneuvering Northampton.
Runway 3. Something happened. And now I know he touched me, and he makes me whole. Oh, he touched me. 1200. Pattern altitude. Oh, he touched me. 100 knots. And all my troubles have left my soul. Something has happened, and now I know.
Northampton traffic, Cessna 326, 3 miles to the north of the airport, climbing to 3,500 feet. We're going to overfly the field and spiral down with a simulated engine out and enter the pattern for runway 32, Northampton.
07 Charlie, 3 miles straight in, runway 3, 07 Charlie. Simsbury traffic, 07 Charlie is 3 miles straight in, runway 3, Simsbury traffic. 1,000 feet. And we can start our descent. Boost pump is on, mixture is rich, flaps is set, airspeed is on, 90 knots. And we have a crosswind, weather veil into the wind. At a 500 feet per minute descent. And we're going to hold 90 knots all the way in. He touched me. Ooh. 700 feet, 500 above ground. All my troubles have left my soul. $80 knots. Wow, it's costing. 400 feet. Full flaps.
Traffic not available.
Simsbury traffic, short final, runway 3. Okay, sir. Hold up, good job, man. That's a short field landing. Roll out. Flaps all the way up.
Back to the north to do simulated engine failures to the north. Okay. Northampton.
Simsbury traffic, 07 Charlie, back taxi in runway 3, Simsbury traffic. Simsbury traffic, 07 Charlie is clear of the active, back tacking to the pump, Simsbury traffic. Something has happened. Now I know. Touch me, and it makes me whole. Oh, he touched me. I know he touched me. I know. All my troubles have left my soul. Something has happened, and now I know. He touched me.